Phil Anthony's legacy lies in the profound impact he had on the countless men and women and children he mentored throughout his lifetime dedication to public service. And the board of directors, thank you, Carolyn, and the entire Anthony family who supported Phil through all these years when he was here. Many, many long nights I spent with him for 18 years. I was here with Phil, and he was my personal mentor through all those years. So thank you so much for allowing Phil to be with us and sharing him with us and devoting all his time and energy to the district.
There's nothing that I can say that hasn't been said or thought of already. Phil was a person that if you were in government, and if you were serving the people, was always there.
He was really a caring guy, kind of gruff, you know, first impression, but really down to earth, pragmatic, and just a good guy.
You know, my dad was a scientist. That's what he was. He went to school, and his first profession was as a scientist. And I know it was a very difficult decision for him and my mom when he decided to leave the lab and to dedicate more time to public service, to consulting, and to development. You know, that being said, when the opportunity came for him to get involved in the Orange County Water District, it was really kind of a perfect blend, because on one side you had the political, you know, the negotiating and the lobbying and the project management, but on the other side you really have the science. So for my dad, it was like this wonderful kind of joining and melding of two of the things that he was really passionate about. So he was so proud, you know, to come out here and to work with you guys and some of your achievements. He really never spoke much about the other side of his business. He was too busy bragging about everything that went on here at the Orange County Water District, which, like I said, it was, you know, I asked my dad about the reason ice freezes or water freezes, and you'd get an hour-long dissertation about molecular structure and the periodic table and everything else. So, you know, but that was really his thing. And like I said, he was so proud of it, and all the accomplishments that went on here at the district. You know, after my dad passed, I really spent some time trying to figure out what was that one thing, what was the one gift that he gave me, excuse me. And I figured it out. And after talking to a lot of you all and listening to some of you speak, I realized that he shared that gift with everybody. You know, my dad, when it seemed like the sky was falling, the walls were caving in, my dad was the guy you went to. You know, he was the guy that had this great gift of taking all this information, learning from it, understanding it, and then figuring out a way to solve the problem. And that's really, that's not correct. He figured out a way that he could facilitate or make you facilitate the answer to the problem. You know, he didn't have a lot of ego. You know, I'd say he was egoless. You know, he felt good about solving problems and helping people. That was kind of his thing. And here at the district, you know, he would always say that, you know, be passionate about something, surround yourself with people that are passionate about the same thing, and you can achieve anything. And I think if you look around, you can see that here at the Orange County Water District. So, 82 years, you know, 70 years I think here in Orange County, 50 plus years in public service. You know, he had a lot of friends in Orange County, and a lot of those friends have parks named after him, and you know, trails and highways, but he would have thought that's nice. But this, you know, I think what I'm saying is, you know, you guys really nailed it with this. You know, this would have meant a lot to him. So on behalf of myself and my family, my mom, thank you very, very much.
It is for these reasons and so many more that we are here today to name this building after our dear friend Phil, who was such a visionary leader.
So, with no further ado, I'd just like to say rest in peace, my friend. You're a good man, and we're going to all miss you.